The Oppo F11 comes with a 6.5-inch display with water drop notch, which provides an immersive viewing experience while watching videos, playing games, or reading e-books. It also features a back panel with gradient design. This phone is available in marble green, jewelry white, and fluorite purple color variants. Oppo F11 comes with a 4GB and 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. The memory is expandable up to 256GB. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. The Oppo F11 features a 6.5-inch Full HD water drop screen with a 90.70% screen-to-body ratio, giving you more screen space for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has a 48MP plus 5MP dual rear camera for high-quality pictures even in low-light conditions. It also has a 16MP front camera for selfies. The phone runs on Android operating system. The MediaTek Helio P70 octa-core processor allows you to easily multitask. It also comes with Hyper Boost that accelerates performance for a smooth gaming experience. It comes with a 4020 mAh battery, providing talk time of 36 hours and standby time of 360 hours. It also comes with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 that helps you charge faster. The box includes handset, VOOC charge adapter, earphone, USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector and protective case, important information booklet with warranty card and quick guide. The Oppo F11 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail no-cost EMI and additional exchange offers with this phone. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.